Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous Repetition Diner. Your meals will be prepared by the Beast Mode chef.
Give me 8. Give me 7. Don't touch it. Real cool. There you go. Breathe out. 6. And on the way down. And out 5. Good. And 4. Good. Big chest. Big chest. 3. 2, 2, 2. Good. 1, 1, 1. All right, we drop. Awesome. All right. You line up. I'll pull it out for you. All right, you're 1. You're 2. You're 1. You're 2. All right, we up. Hold. All right. And 1.
Who's hungry?
Good.
Let's eat.
All right, big chest. Let's go.
Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry?
There it is. That's it. Come on. Get it out. Need a 5 count. Come on. 7 to go. 5,000. Under the chin. 1,002. Yeah. 1,003. 1,004. We need 7. All right, we up. You got 1. You got 2. I'll bring him out. All right. Hold your weight under the chin. Chest up.
The Super Set King!
Again. Come on. 5. Again.
Who's hungry?
4 again. Under the chin. Under the chin. 3, 3. There it is. Double them up. Double them up. Come on. Give me 1. Now some low in your chest. 1 more. Come on. Yeah, what happened? Tell me what happened that time.
I put it too low.
Yes, sir. Take a rest.